Hello YouTube. I wanted to make a video on how you adjust the boot lugs on a Vauxhall or Opel Zafira Tourer. You may notice there are these pad things here, and these correspond to a lug up here, which these can twist out, and you can take them out like that. These can adjust how much force is on the boot latch down below. Now, I had a rattle at the back of my car and I played with these after researching online, although I didn't find a video, just forum posts. It turns out my rattle was not related to this. I did try to put some grease down here, but it was not this, it was this piece of trim. See my other video for more details on that. But these lugs you can screw in, and they're on each side of the boot. So I'm going to close that one all up there, and then there's another one over here. My advice to adjust these would be to do them all the way up so they're tight, and then count how many you undo. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seems to be a good number for me. On the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The reason I say to do that is so that they're even, so you have the same number of turns here and the same number of turns there. This helps push the tailgate out on these stops, which then may adjust the rattle if you have round here. So a few people have found a rattle based off this. Like I say, I didn't, but if you adjust these latches, it might solve your problem. Alright, if you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thanks a lot.